How to add symbols to a watch list in TradingView application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. A watch list makes it easy to keep track of your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, and other markets in one place. To add a new symbol to your watch list, go ahead and open up the TradingView app on your device and log in. Once you're inside the watch list page, go ahead and scroll down from the watch list and find this Add Symbol button. Tap on it and choose the symbol you want to add. You can enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, index, or other assets you want to add. Once you find the asset, go ahead and tap the plus icon right next to it, and you'll be able to select and add the symbol to your watch list. Repeat the same step to add as many symbols as you want, and that's it. Your added symbol will appear in your watch list. You've successfully done it. Now you can monitor your favorite markets from one convenient place and edit or organize your watch list whenever you need. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.